Hello, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I still remain your regular host Afomangwana. And today we are diving into a powerful topic: how to survive and adapt in the AI era. Practical steps you can start today. Yes, how to survive and adapt in an AI era. Practical steps you can start today. Yeah, is our topic for today's video. So, if you ever felt worried about AI, okay, about how AI might replace your job, overwhelm your business, or leave you behind, this video is exactly for you. Stay tuned because I will give you step-by-step tutorials on how not to just survive, but actually thrive with AI. Yes. Also, before we start, I want to let you know that I have written a book titled AI and You: Survive, Adapt, and Prosper in a Changing World. Yes, it is a packed full with strategies, real-life examples, and step-by-step guidance to help you stay ahead of the AI revolution. I will share more about it later, so stick around. Okay? And hey, if you find this video valuable, please don't forget to support this channel by hitting that bell notification, okay, subscribe, and drop a comment below. You can also send me a super text, okay, to keep this content going. All right, so come along and let's dive right in. So our first step today is master AI tools instead of fearing them. Yes, let's say you are a content creator, all right, a student, or even if you are running a small business. Instead of being afraid that AI will take over, here is what you can do today. Yes, 1. Go to ChatGPT or any AI writing tool. Type a simple command like, write me a 7-day Instagram content plan for my fashion business. Okay? Within seconds, AI gives you ready to use ideas. Alright? So why does this matter? This matters because it saves time, it reduces stress, and free your mind to focus on creativity and execution. Alright? So I have a mini challenge for you. And this is, I want you, after this video, try one AI tool in your daily routine. Okay? Whether it is for writing, design, research, or even personal planning. Alright? This is exactly the kind of practical guidance I break down in my book, AI and You: Survive, Adapt, and Prosper in a Changing World. Yes, you will learn how to take control and make AI work for you, not against you. Okay, let's move right into step number 2, and which is build new skills for the AI world. Yes, here is the truth. Jobs are shifting. Oh yes, but instead of panicking, you can prove your career. Yeah, I'll guide you into a practical step. Okay, you need to have what we call, or you need to develop skill, okay? You need to have like a skill development, all right? So this is how to go about it. Visit a website like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning, all right? Start with a short course. For example, prompt engineering, data analysis, or AI for beginners, okay? Next, you can set aside 30 minutes a day to learn. Example, if you are in marketing, learn how to use AI-powered analytics to predict customers' trends. Okay? If you are in design, explore Canva app or Canva AI or Adobe Firefly, okay, to create professional level content faster. Alright? Tip: don't just learn random skills. Okay? Ask yourself, which AI related skill matches my career or business? Then focus deeply on that one. Next is step 3. Adapt your business with AI. Oh yes, if you are an entrepreneur, small business owner, or a freelancer, adapting is key. This is how to go about it. AI for business. Okay? So you're going to use AI chatbots like ManyChat or Tidio to automate customer service. Alright? Use AI marketing tools like Jasper or Copy.ai to write ads, blogs, and product descriptions. 3. Use AI analytics tools to see what's working in your sales or social media. Example: imagine you run an online store, for instance. Instead of manually answering 100 customer questions, set up an AI chatbot. Yes, this chatbot can answer facts instantly, okay, saving you hours while improving sales. You get what I mean? Oh yes. So if you are finding these tips useful, remember, you can support my channel by giving this video a like, sharing it with a friend, or sending a super thanks. This will really help to keep me creating free content for you. Alright, and this brings us to step 4. Stay emotional resilient in the AI era. Yes, stay emotionally resilient in the AI era. Step 4. Stay emotionally resilient in the AI era. Technology is moving fast, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But emotional resilience is what separates you, okay? Um, or is rather what separates those who adapt from those who freeze. A practical guide is this. 1. Start your day with mindfulness. Even if it's just 5 minutes of deep breathing, helps reduce anxiety. 2. Limit AI or your AI overwhelmed. Okay? Don't chase every new tool. Pick one or two and master them. All right. 3. Build a supportive community. Join groups of people learning and adapting to AI together. Example: instead of scrolling endlessly through AI news and panicking, join a Facebook group or a LinkedIn network where people share practical, positive users of AI. Okay? Or rather, practical, positive uses of AI. Alright? This will help you a lot. Okay? So, our next step is you need to take daily action. Yes, daily action is super important. Okay? The difference between people who strive and those who fall behind isn't knowledge, it's what? A daily action. Alright? So this is how to go about it. Okay? 1, you need to write down one area of your life or career where AI could help. Okay? 2, text an AI tool for that area today. Journal your results and repeat the next day. Alright? So you get to understand that over time, those small steps add up. Alright? And you will find yourself more confident, skilled, and adaptable than most people. Alright? Okay. Now, I want to recap what I've just, stated in this video. Okay? And which is 1, you need to learn to use AI tools instead of fearing them. Okay? 2, build an AI related skills. 3, adapt your business with AI. 4, stay emotionally resilient. 5, take daily actions. Alright? So if you follow these steps, you won't just survive this era or this AI era. You will actually prosper in it. Okay? You will prosper in it. So for those of you who want a deeper guide, don't forget to grab a copy of my book. Yes, and it's titled AI and You. Survive, adapt, and prosper in a changing world. It's available now on Amazon, okay? And it is your roadmap for striving in this new digital age. Link to my book I'll be sharing in the comments, okay? So you can hop up through the link and go grab yourself a copy. And I bet you're gonna find the book very, very useful. And I'm sure you will recommend it for a friend or a family member. Alright? And finally, if you found this video helpful, alright, why don't you hit the like button, subscribe for more weekly tips, and consider dropping a super thanks to support the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, don't fear AI. Learn it, adapt with it, and win with it. And I will see you in the next video. You have yourself a wonderful, wonderful time, and take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Bye.